Hi, I'm Jiaxiong from Tsinghua University. Glad to introduce our work, enhancing the perceived emotional intelligence of conversational agents through acoustic cues. First, we need to know what perceived emotional intelligence is. Emotional intelligence is a psychological definition which involves humans' abilities to appraise, express, regulate, and utilize emotions. In the context of human-computer interaction, the perceived emotional intelligence of a conversational agent, CA for short, is evaluated based on the CA's ability to perceive and utilize user emotions, as well as understand and manage emotions. For text-based CAs, for example, the social chatbot Xiaozhu, it applies sentiment analysis to detect and understand users' emotional states from their text input. Then, it could trigger appropriate topics according to the user's emotional state, or use the trendy sequence-to-sequence neural network to generate responses with different tones. Compared to text-based CAs, voice delivers rich emotional information that voice-based CAs could utilize. For instance, let's see a dialogue example of our presented cue design, which is Hurt Your Emotion. A CA is guiding the user through some learning tasks. It's time for the next task. So the CA asks,
Are you ready for the next task?
the user answers, yes, ready. From the semantic perspective, this utterance is probably positive, but at this moment, the user feels exhausted because of the tasks, and we can be sure from the way he speaks. Yes, I'm ready. The initial response for yes, I'm ready is
Okay, let's start.
noticing the user speaks with tiredness. The agent does two things. First, adjust the response text. For negative user emotions, the response is, do you need some rest? Second, it adds an interjection in the beginning to express a little bit empathy. So instead of, okay, let's start, the final response is,
Do you need some rest?
to evaluate the hue design, we conducted an observational study with 75 participants. CAs in 4 conditions were implemented. We prepared audio clips presenting daily dyadic conversations between human characters and CAs. Participants rated the perceived emotional intelligence of the CA in each audio segment with a questionnaire. Compared to the CA that didn't respond to emotion, Hugh was rated as having improved perceived emotional intelligence. Thus, our work provided 3 design implications for conversational agents. First, enable speech emotion recognition to capture the user's emotional states. Second, use interjections to generate more emotionally expressive responses. Third, apply appropriate sentiment adjustments on the CA's responses, such as helping the user reappraise or distract the user from the negative stimulus. This study has 2 main limitations. We evaluated people's perceived emotional intelligence of the CA as bystanders only. Future work may explore the effects of direct interaction with Hue. And it lacks the longitudinal study where users interact with the agent for a period of time to yield deeper and richer understandings. That's all. Thank you.